Yo, I know it's been a whole month since y'all saw a video from me. My health wasn't in the best shape, but I'm feeling much better right now. So hopefully going into June and everything, y'all start to get some more gaming videos from me and stuff. But in this video, I want to talk about it's been a while since I had my gaming PC, and I definitely want to talk about my experience from switching from console to PC because I have a lot of friends that are still on console right now and they haven't seen me in a long time. And when they finally catch up to me, they like, yo, man, where you been at, man? Where you been at? And I have to tell them, I've been on that PC, bro. What you mean? Looking back, man, the only thing that makes me mad is that I didn't make this switch much sooner. So I got my pre-built PC in the beginning of January 2026. I was, and I, in some degree, I panic bought it. I've always wanted to get a PC, but I just thought I had plenty of time to get one. And then I just started seeing the prices of all the parts go up. And I didn't honestly, I was like, I ain't spending that much money for like a top of the line gaming PC and everything. And if you're a tech enthusiast like me, it just sucks because like you just want the best of the best to get the fullness of almost everything. And I'm mad that I didn't just do this much sooner because I would have saved so much money. But the pre-built that I bought is amazing. If you haven't seen that video, please, I'm gonna put the link in the description of me unboxing my pre-built, my very first gaming PC. Please check that out. A lot of you guys were roasting me, but the PC community showed me so much love. And man, I was excited when I got this game. Still excited actually. This PC and everything. PC community welcomed me with open arms. Have a lot of questions. Still got questions. There's still fears around a lot of things, but they're good, fun fears that eventually I'm going to do. But the first thing I want to tackle is like, well, I talked about it. Do I regret basically switching my whole gaming library to PC, which meant that some games I got to rebuy, or the newer games that come out, I'm getting them on PC versus the console? The answer is no. No, I do not regret any of that. As a matter of fact, if you're looking to game and you don't have any systems, a PlayStation, Xbox, PC, whatever, I would tell you to get a PC, and I would tell you to get actually my second answer would have probably been a Nintendo Switch too, but to be honest, like I have one and the games for me just haven't been hitting. They just don't hit. They don't hit for me. They don't hit for me, but maybe for you. Um, but I would get like a low end gaming console, maybe PlayStation, because they recently said that their exclusives are stopping. But as a person that has an Xbox and my entire library is on Xbox, I feel like there's no reason to get an Xbox at this point, since basically all the games on Xbox are on PC and they are a much significantly better experience on a PC and everything. But that would be my thing. So I've been telling all my friends, I'm like, bro, you don't even need like a crazy, like you'll be able to tell the difference, like even with like the lower tier PCs, man. Like just the amount of freedom, the amount of indie games that are out there that I wouldn't be able to experience on a PC. I mean, on a console that's on PC is crazy. It's ridiculous. And it's just I just been having a blast. I forgot the last time I felt like this. I wanted to wait until the honeymoon phase was over when I first got my PC, because y'all know how it is. You get a new piece of software and you're playing it and it's just the best thing ever and you're telling everyone about it. I wanted to wait a little bit so that it didn't feel like I was still on that honeymoon phase of my new tech. And I'm here to tell you, it's still amazing. It's still amazing. I was one of those console people that used to look at the PC snobs and be like, "Oh, look at them thinking they're all better than us." All of this, like, "Oh, you look at you and your little PC." Well, console gamers, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. The console gamers, and now that I got one, I'm like, dang. I wish everyone who has never experienced it on PC, I wish y'all can experience gaming on a PC because it's just 10 times better. I love it. I just love the accessibility, just being able to use whatever controllers, whatever, just everything. Everything just is just catered to you. I'm not like boxed in to this like their tiny little ecosystem and everything. Eh, I got VR. I got different types of controllers. I'm waiting for the Steam controller. I got my little reservation. So once they send me an email, I'm gonna get the Steam controller because that looks really cool. So I'm looking forward to playing that. Um, just about everything. It's just so fun, man. And I'm still learning about like the different like being able to play a game and I'm getting over 120 FPS on a game where on console I'm locked in, but I can just max it out on my freaking PC. And sometimes that joint be hit depending on what I put it on, it could be like 200 FPS, 250. And I'm just looking at the game like, what the heck? And I don't even, that's not even a graphic. The graphics alone, I mean, now I'm getting used to the graphics, like the graphic quality, and the sharpness of gaming on PC now. But when I switched to my Xbox and my PlayStation, I'm like, ew. Just using Steam in general, like I don't know, like Steam just feels good when I open up Steam versus like the other stores. Like you open up Steam and it's just like, what adventure am I going to get into today? I'm looking forward to it. That's how I've been like feeling. You know what I'm saying? Now, all of those things, that's not to say that there isn't things that like I'm still like, I don't say struggling with. I think the hardest adjustment still for me right now is like keywords and things like that. And yeah, I can research them and I try to, but then I quickly get like demotivated after all of these keywords. Like I get comments like, hey, make sure you overclock your system and all of this. And once y'all start hitting me with them keywords, I'm like Mr. Crab with the tunnel vision, like looking around like overclock XYZ. And people saying, oh, you got a pre-built, man. You need to go to Micro Center and buy these pieces, man. You need to change your power supply and change it. And I'm sitting here looking like I gotta open this thing up and take it out. What if something breaks? What the cable management already looks good. I feel like I don't have like the cable management game, and I don't know. It that's like the other thing too is like um you're constantly looking at other things that you can upgrade. Like it's definitely it's definitely a hobby for sure. Because there's constantly so many products out there that you're looking at, you're like, man, that looks cool. I would love to upgrade to that. Oh no, that looks cool. Look at that keyboard. Look at that mouse. And then that's not even to talk about the insides of it. I'm seeing people with holographic images in the inside, cool looking towers and cases. I have a NVIDIA 5080, and you know, you look on YouTube and then you see like Batman Arkham Asylum 5090 and things like that. And in my head, I'm like, dang, like, how close am I to get that performance? Is it the same or is it not? Like, do I have the best? Do I not have the best? And then you got CPUs, GPUs, RAMs. Like, I got 64 gigs of RAM, but I don't know if it's the best RAM sticks out there. I mean, in my head, I'm like 64 is 64, but in your comments, it's like, nah, swap them sticks out, get this X. And it's just like, it's very overwhelming. And I'm also already running out of space because I'm recording on here and everything. So now I'm like, dang, I got to go to the store and buy a hard drive in here so I have more space for gaming and working and stuff. But then I'm looking at the prices. And I'm like, dang, for 2 terabytes of memory, that's the price of a freaking console. So that's like the part that's very, very annoying. And I have the money to do it, but it's like fighting so much in me not to do it. Like I have to justify those purchases. But outside of that, just a gaming experience when a new video game drops and stuff, and I have the option of Steam or console and everything. It's almost 100%. I'm getting it on Steam now, and it wasn't. And it's difficult because I feel like my gaming friend group is all on Xbox and everything, and of course, crossplay helps out a lot. But some of these games are just only on PC or don't have crossplay, and it's like, dang man, I gotta find a whole new PC community, all of those things, which is not bad, but I'm at this stage in my life, I'm kind of introverted on online games. I mute my mic until somebody starts doing stupid stuff and everything. I don't really talk and engage as much. So that's the part that makes it a little bit more difficult for me, and everything. But what um, what trumps all of those things is the accessibility. Like I can connect my PC to my Xbox Series S that's in a different room and use Moonlight to play all of my PC games on my Xbox. Or I could play it on my phone. I have my Vision Pro. I'm connecting and I'm just playing my whole entire PC library, just basically wherever I'm at, which is so amazing because I can't be in my office all the time. And that was just something that, like, if I would stream like my consoles and stuff, that joint be lagging, man. The latency be crazy. When I'm streaming my PC because it's hardwired to different devices, man, it feel like I'm connected directly to it. And in my head, I'm like, yo, why no one talking about this often? Like, this is insane. This is crazy. More people need to talk about this. All of my friends that have both a PC and a console, which is like maybe two or three, the first thing I told them, like when they got like the ROG Allies or just any, even if they just bought a console, I'm like, yo, get Moonlight, download Moonlight, and you can play your PC on your console. That way you can just play on your TV in the living room when you're watching the kids or all of that. And everyone never heard of it when I talked to them about it. And then the moment that they do it, they hit me up. I get a text like, bruh, this changes the game. This changes everything, yo. This is amazing. Yo, thank you so much. I'm getting all of those messages, man. And it just, yo, it's just so good, man. It's just so good. So my right now, my next step is I'm going to upgrade it, which I need your help. So all the people that subscribe to me, from the unboxing video and the journey, I'm definitely going to be filming myself, adding new parts, to my gaming PC. I'm gonna I'm gonna try to find an affiliate for which version I have, so you guys can kind of see. Well, actually, no, the description tells you basically what PC I have. I'm gonna need y'all help to tell me like what do y'all recommend for a new storage, and everything. Also, too, like what mouse do y'all use? I think I have the Logitech. This is the Logitech G502, but it's wired. And I'm thinking I want wireless, and everything for what I do. And then I have the 8-bit do retro keyboard. This is it right here. This is cool, but I found my finger. I have very, very long fingers. Um, and I'm still trying to get comfortable with it. So like hitting the control button with my pinky is not like it's not the most comfortable. So if you guys in the chat, if you guys can give your boys some tips on like how do you guys like hotkey and remap your buttons when you playing games, and like what fingers do y'all use to like press certain keys? Like do y'all put y'all finger on both control and shift, and like I don't know, some people change their weapons with the number keys at the top, like one. Let me show y'all, like at the very top, like one, two, three. Like if I'm like right here, like, and I'm like overwhelmed and I'm trying to shoot and I'm trying to change, like it's very hard to just be like, all right, this is two. Like, what do y'all usually do for weapon changes? And give me more tips, man. Give me more tips. I want more tips and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to give this, make this video about my experience playing this. If you're a console gamer and you're trying to justify it, like, yo, wait for the Steam machine. I think Xbox is announcing a hybrid console, which is really, really cool. And to be honest, even though I have this gaming PC, I would probably get that just because I've purchased a lot of video games on Xbox digitally. You know, I'm a digital person. So that would just allow me to have access to my library, and stuff. So I'll probably end up getting that, put that in a different room. But I'm telling all my homies, like, yo, just, bro, don't even worry. Just save up, get a PC or get the Xbox hybrid, and everything, and then like you will be good, man. Like the amount of stuff out there, like even the MMOs, man. Like I love me a good MMO. I'm playing a game called Forever right now, um, which is really, really been pretty cool, chill. You know what I'm saying? And I'm thinking about getting some more stuff. Too, I still got to finish the Resident Evil game. um, yeah, I'm gonna play those. I know you. A lot of people from my other channel, my main channel that I have with my wife. A lot of y'all like the mom simulator that I did. Um, I might do some more simulator games, but yo, listen. I used to be a professional. Well, yeah, I used to play gaming competitively. I did do the MLGs and all of those things. So I do like. There's a competitive itch in me that loves like shooting games and gory games and all of those things. So if you don't like it, well, you don't have to watch those videos. So I'm gonna just do them all the games that I like and enjoy, and then I'll try to do some that you guys request me to play. But yeah, thank you guys. I'm also still going to update my room a little bit more, but I just wanted it's been like a whole month and I didn't I just want to let y'all know I'm still alive and well and doing good. And I have been recording games, but then it's just like, man, this game just seems boring. Like I ain't going to put it up or whatever, but yeah, I might end up still just throwing it up there. It's just me doing everything. I don't have an editor. So just be patient with your boy. But thank you guys for the people that still been watching the back catalogs and stuff. And I love y'all. God bless y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah. Peace.